Assalamu alaikum and very fresh morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to learn our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. Students, in previous class we learned about fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions, etc. We shall review these concepts in this chapter and take up multiplication and division of fractions. So, let us quickly review the concept which we have learned earlier. Fraction is a number which can be expressed in the form of A by B, where A and B are whole numbers and B is not equals to 0, or a fraction is a part of a whole or a collection of objects. Example, 3 upon 7 is a fraction because 3 and 7 both are whole numbers. Now, types of fractions. There are 8 types of fractions. They are like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions with same denominators. Example, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 3 are like fractions. Unlike fractions, fractions with different denominators are unlike fractions. Example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 8 upon 9 are unlike fractions. Improper fraction. Fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. For example, 7 upon 4, 8 upon 3, 9 upon 4 are improper fractions. Proper fractions. Fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are known as proper fractions. Example, 4 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 6 upon 11 are proper fractions. Mixed fraction. Fractions which are combination of whole numbers and fractions are called mixed fractions. Example, 2 integer 1 upon 4, 3 integer 1 upon 5, 9 integer 7 upon 11. Students, note that mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction and improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. Example, 16 upon 3 equals to 5 integer 1 upon 3. And example 2, 2 integer 1 upon 4 equals to 9 upon 4. Equivalent fraction. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied or divided by the same number except 0, we get a fraction which is equivalent to given fraction. Example, 1 upon 3 equals to 2 upon 6 equals to 3 upon 9. Decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the numbers, namely 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, etc. is called a decimal fraction. Vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, etc. is called a vulgar fraction. Example: 4 upon 9, 3 upon 13, 9 upon 108, etc. Addition and subtraction of fractions. There are two cases of adding and subtracting fractions. They are fractions with similar denominators. For example, 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5. Students, we know that in order to add or subtract the fractions, we have to look at the denominator. As the denominators are same, we don't have to find out the LCM. And we have to add the numerators directly, keeping the denominators same. So now, let's add the numerators and keeping the denominator same. Thus, adding numerator 2 and 3 and keeping common denominator 5 same. We get 5 upon 5. Students, now we have to reduce 5 upon 5 in standard form. Thus reducing 5 by 5 in standard form, we get 1. Now, case 2. Fractions with different denominators. For example, 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 3. Students, look at the denominators. Denominators are not same. So, we have to find out LCM of given denominators 5 and 3. Thus, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Students, now we have to find out equivalent fraction of 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 3 with denominator 15. As LCM is 15, thus multiplying 2 upon 5 by 3, we get 6 upon 15 and multiplying 4 upon 3 by 5, we get 20 upon 15. So, 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 3 equals to 6 upon 15 plus 20 upon 15. Now, adding numerator 6 and 20 and keeping denominator 15 same, we get 26 upon 15. Students, as we got the answer improper fraction, so we have to convert improper fraction into mixed. Thus converting 26 upon 15 into mixed fraction, we get one integer 11 upon 15.